trekking et des vallées sont magnifiques ici. C'est un autre monde pour moi, je pense. On peut trouver des endroits pour se sentir seul en marchant une demi-heure, 3/4 d'heure, relâcher toutes ses pensées, tout son esprit.
I began to do trekking in and around Santiago in the central Andes, and then I made my way down and I eventually got to Torrepaine. All of the traveling I did inspired prints and paintings that I'm working on, so putting on canvas all of the things I saw over the past 15 months.
Yeah, it's very safe in Patagonia. Yeah, there's been no troubles. Everyone has been really helpful and friendly. It's good for trekking and just being out and about.
I think Chile for me has been a journey, but for me it's been more a chapter of my life because I saw an amazing landscape. I became inspired for a series of work. So for me it's been a wonderful experience as a tourist, but also feeling like I've become part of a different place.